Hi, welcome to the Wells Reserve at Historic Log Home Farm, and my name is Sue Bickford, and I'm here today to take care of some equipment called sound boxes, and it's part of our Soundscape Ecology program. So I want to tell you more about that, but first let's get to the field. This is our little river estuary, and apparently the Canadian geese are not too happy with us coming out today. So soundscape ecology is the science of studying sound in a natural environment. That includes all the sounds, including biological sounds, man-made sounds, and sounds of the place such as wind, rain, waves. So that's what we're studying. A lot of scientists study specific animals like bird calls and crickets and a lot of biological sounds. But what we're interested in is studying the entire sound budget of an area. What does this area's sound signature look like and sound like? We're putting out sound boxes for Earth Day. There's 5 other reserves involved in the project. Kachemak Bay in Alaska, Mission Aransas in Texas, Jacques Cousteau in New Jersey, and Wacoit Bay in Massachusetts, and here at the Wells Reserve. So one of the things we're particularly interested in finding out is the difference between last year's Earth Day recordings and this year's Earth Day recordings. So last year, the Wells Reserve had plenty of aircraft flying over it. We have a local airport. There was plenty of people on the beach. And this year, no aircraft, nobody on the beach because it's closed. This is a Cornell Swift recorder, and I'm going to open it up to turn it on. And here's our microphone hanging off the bottom. This is a little thing that we make out of fake fur. And in the audio industry, this is known as a dead cat. And it goes over the microphone to deaden the effects of wind across the microphone. So this is the inside of the recorder. It runs on 3 D-cell batteries. It has an SD card stuck into the little slot here. It's programmed to take recordings at certain times so that it's not on all the time. And then we're going to turn the on button. And it has a little blue light that says everything's working. Friends the geese keeping me company today. That's really nice. Here's a quick quiz. Tell me everything that you can hear. Well, thanks for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you learned something about soundscape ecology,